Hello everybody, how is doing? Hopefully you are doing great, and I'm also doing great in this beautiful afternoon. Right now where I'm staying, this is the one of the famous place in our country. You can see the beach. It's at COXBAZAR, which is one of the famous place in Bangladesh. Most of the tourists or people in our country, they frequently come in this place and they enjoy their beautiful memory here. This is the long beach, and this place right now where I am belongs, it is almost empty. This is not that much famous, but in my bag there is huge people, but I avoid them. I wanted to make an English video after a long time, so that's why I'm just making this video alone. You can see the huge wap of the Bay of Bengal. Oh, my camera is somewhat blurry, that's why it's not clearly visible. But the thing is that I think we who have the time, we can come in this place to enjoy our moment, to enjoy this world. I will go a little bit deep of the sea, I mean bank of the sea. If I go some front or some forward, then I will be adjacent of the Bay of Bengal, and I will show you the clear view of the Bay of Bengal. Sunset is almost happening. There is no sunlight. This is west. This part is west, and this is the east of my back. Oh, look! This is the sandy place as well as watery place. It's look like tiles here, but this is not tiles, but it's soil, it's sand. It's sand, this place. The people who love their country, who love this place, you can just easily come in this place and enjoy your beautiful moment. Oh, look, like people are hanging over here. Oh, I'm very close to the Bay of Bengal. I'll go some more forward, and then you will see the close wab, huge wab of the Bay of Bengal, which will be look like wow, gorgeous, fantastic, and beautiful. Oh my goodness! Oh, huge wab over there, huge wab. A beautiful sunset right now I am enjoying at COXBAZAR Biam Beach. This is called actually Biam Beach. Some more forward you will find Laboni Beach, and then Palatoli Beach. After that you will get Himsori. Can you listen the sound of the wab? Oh, like shh. This sound is producing here. Huge, beautiful. Oh, see, the water is coming here. Oh my goodness, I'll be. Oh. I don't want to wet my leg. That's why I'm avoiding this wap. So people who are very much willing to come to COXBAZAR, you can come, definitely you can come to enjoy this place. But listen, the favorite or the suitable season to come here, this is winter season. You'll feel good if you come in winter season. But in this season right now, this is month of April 2025, This is not famous beach. This is Biam beach. But look, so crowd over there. So crowd just my back. I just literally about them to make this video because this video is for after a long time. That's why. Oh, the fisherman over there. He is catching fish. I will show you how he is catching fish. But I'm enjoying so much this view of this COXBAZAR Bay of Bengal, the roar of the Bay of Bengal. I am listening right now. Oh, my heart is blowing over the moon. Oh, you can see the couple of fishermen. Two fishermen. They are going to the river. They're going to the deep of the water, and then they are trying to catch the fish. There is something fact about juar or bata. I think they are. Oh my goodness! Oh, I'm running because I don't want to wet my leg, my shoe. That's why I'm running. Okay, after leaving this web, then I'll go some forward. The two fishermen, they are catching the fish. This is the evening time. This is the suitable time for the fishermen to catch fish. And something about juar bata. This time is happening juar. I don't know the English of juar. They are catching the fish in this time. Okay. So hopefully this video will get you a find. I will come with another videos in time. I will see you the beautiness of the COXBAZAR, as well as I will try to make videos in English. So who are the English lover, you will definitely find good to watch this type of video, and I think you will have some knowledge about English. You will have some courage in yourself to speak something. So that's it for this video. Hopefully I will see you in another video. Till then, stay best, stay good. Bye bye.